might need to work on that, sorry.
Here we go.
Here we go. I always feel like I'm too tall and too far away.
All at the same time. Oh,
Whoa.
there you go.
Sounds so good. Oh my goodness, I love this car. Hey, welcome back to RedKarbon. I'm Yana, and this is episode 6 of trying to get this track-ready Mark IV Supra actually track-ready. I know, it's been taking some time, and we still have a long road to go. But in this video, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take it out on the road. We're gonna drive it around. So we were able to start it since we did the ECU swap. It's now running on ProEFI. We were able to work out some of the basic kinks, and by we, I mean Matt, of course, was able to work out some of the kinks. So today's video is all about getting it actually on the road, driving it around, because I've never driven a TH400. I hear I'm probably not gonna like it. I don't know, I've never tried it, so this is my first time driving a TH400. So I'm very excited to see if I love it, hate it, is this car gonna go with a different transmission, or if we're gonna keep it for a while. But first things first, before we go on a drive, we need to make sure that it's safe, it's legal. We're gonna be installing the license plate frame. I'm gonna put the license plate on it, and then it will be ready to go. All right, so here is the little package. I did go with carbon fiber gear. I did browse Amazon for a while. We looked at it, and a lot of them said carbon fiber 100%, but when you really read the comments, a lot of people would say that it's not real carbon fiber. I wanted to go with a carbon fiber for my anthracite. I think it would look pretty good. I found the carbon fiber gear. Their website link is below. Check it out. They have a lot of cool products. The price was honestly $10 more than Amazon. It came pretty quickly, so very happy. But here's the package. It came in a little nice bubble wrap package. Comes in a little box, carbon fiber gear. But here we are. So you get this set of universal fasteners. Unfortunately, they do not work for the Supra. Supra is a very special car that requires very, very many special parts, including special fasteners. But the good thing is that we have so many parts laying around and so much stuff that Matt was able to find 2 fasteners that actually work for me. But what I do like is that it comes with little covers, so I hope they will work. And then the actual frame is wrapped, and this is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see it. It actually feels very good. It has a little handmade sticker here. Little buffers so it doesn't rattle. The quality overall is pretty phenomenal. What can I say? I'm very, very happy. So next I'm gonna be installing it so that we can finally get the car out of their driveway and drive it around. So let's put it on and then we'll be ready to go. All right, that's it. It's here, so let's check it out. So there we go. It's in. Disregard the old Supra fasteners, you know, but otherwise, I really like it. What do you guys think? Hopefully I can get a good shot of it here. like it. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. Let me know. Comment below, like it, hate it. I love it, so I'm definitely gonna keep it. All right, the license plate and the license plate frame are in. So Matt is already in the car and we are getting ready to drive it around. Let's go ahead and start it.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Doesn't want to idle.
Yeah, I need to work on that, sorry.
All right.
So let me...
Oh, it's idling now.
I just made a change. Is it idling better?
Yeah, it's idling at about 1400.
But is your foot on the gas pedal?
Nope.
Okay, let me go ahead and bring it down a hair then.
All right. Oh, I feel like I'm sitting so high. Like I'm gonna bump.
Yeah, those seats do sit really, really high.
Yeah, I don't like them.
Here we go.
Here we go. I always feel like I'm too tall and too far away.
All at the same time. Oh, there you go. Supras, but
I actually like it.
Okay.
I mean, I don't like the, OEM shifter. I think it's weird because you're expecting it.
Yeah.
You have a different mental connection to it.
I can see that. Yeah.
I think if we put like a different shifter, it would feel a bit better. It is fun. It's like you can pretend you have a manual.
Yeah.
And I thought the change, like gear to gear, would feel a lot more harder.
Okay.
But it's not too bad, actually.
All right. Well, you might be a fan.
I think I might be a fan. I think I might be a fan. Yeah, the only thing is with this, because it's so loose, I have to be so careful.
Yeah, there's a lot of play in, like...
I don't just skip a bunch of gears.
There it sounds really good. There it does not.
It's like spattering.
Yeah. Give it some more gas. Yeah, it's got like a miss or something.
That doesn't sound good.
No, it has like... It doesn't sound right there.
Yeah, now I hear it all the time. Well, darn it.
Yeah, I don't know if it's a tune or if it's something else.
There's always something else.
Always something.
Always something else.
Well, I'll have to show you. I just saw the orange light came on, which means the fuel level is wrong.
Oh boy. Well, there's obviously more to look into, sounds like.
Yeah, I've been cleaning up the fuel map. It sounds better. But it looks like our fuel gauge is wrong, which doesn't surprise me with an aftermarket fuel hanger.
Yeah.
So if that light comes on, that means we are actually pretty much out of gas.
Ugh.
And the fuel in this car was also 3 years old.
Yeah, we're not running with the best setup here.
So I
just yet.
actually just thought of that it's really old fuel.
Yep.
So we'll go get some
Race fuel.
we'll get some good stuff for this car in the next couple days. Probably some MS109, maybe something a little better than that. I don't know if they have Q16, but we'll check it out.
Yep. All right, let's bring her in. All right, so now what we need to do is we're gonna do a foot brake test to make sure that our air-fuel ratio is looking good. So let's get to it. Oh my goodness, I love this car. All right, so we're back from our drive. Big win for today. The car drove. It shifted. Everything otherwise felt and seemed pretty good. Probably the most exciting day so far since I bought this car for me personally. However, it sounds like there might be some additional things we need to look into and continue on troubleshooting and fixing this tune just enough so that we can then hand it over to our tuner to actually do a real tuning on the car, put it on a dyno. There's a lot of other small things that we need to do because the car is getting done, it's getting closer. Still things that need to be changed, updated, added. So stay tuned for more because there's definitely gonna be more, and there's gonna be more Supra sounds coming right your way. And remember, learn, build, and race. And we'll see you next time.